Hello everyone, today we're gonna see how to install Git on Windows 11. Firstly, go to the official Git downloads page. Click the Download for Windows link. It will automatically download the latest 64-bit version. Now locate the downloaded file in your Downloads folder, then double-click to launch the installer. Review the GNU General Public License, then click Next to proceed. Launch the installer, then you can leave the default path or choose a custom directory. Click Next, then accept the default folder name. From the drop-down, select your preferred editor like Notepad++, Vim, or Nano, then click Next. Just adjust path environment, choose HTTPS transport backend, configure the line index, and set terminal emulator preferences. Once all options are configured, just click Install, and after the installation, just click Finish. And that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.